Start. In a welcome move, the National Assembly has passed the Protection of Journalists and Media Professionals Bill 2021 that was drafted and piloted by the Ministry of Human Rights. The bill provides for a formation of a commission that will inquire into complaints of threats, violent attacks, forced disappearances, arbitrary arrests, and reports of torture of journalists. The law would provide measures to investigate, prosecute, and punish those people involved in violence and threats against journalists. The bill was earlier approved by the Standing Committee on Human Rights, and one hopes that the Senate will pass it as soon as possible. New para. Journalists' bodies have welcomed the bill and had previously vetted its contents, trimming it a step forward for the protection of journalists. The approval of the bill by the National Assembly comes at a time when journalists in Pakistan are faced with increasing pressure, including threats and violence. International media bodies have expressed concerns about the shrinking space for media freedoms in Pakistan and greater restrictions both on mainstream and social media by government authorities. The Federal Information Ministry had attempted in recent months to push through the formation of a draconian media authority that would have led to even greater curtailment of editorial independence. Sustained pressure and an outcry by media organizations finally led to the government abandoning the ill-advised move. However, reports of violence and threats against journalists are now a regular occurrence, and the media continues to work under the shadow of such violence. It is rare that perpetrators of this violence are identified and brought to justice. It is hoped that this bill, when it translates into law, will go a long way in addressing these issues and bring greater accountability for those who browbeat the media. This would require effective